My brothers for Europe, I know some of una know they hear me, but for those of una when they say una want settle down, una they look for serious relationship, make una hear me. I don't date this Europe now for some times, and I have been to several countries. Now the different type of guests when I see for each country when I don't go now, I want to tell una now. I remember when I go France, I can't tell my guy, say, bro, how far? I not go feel your day like this, so I need woman. Now they look me, and they say, Mr. Z, forget. They say, as I all day like this, so I not go feel get girlfriend. They say, because people, when you be like me, say, na Kokobiri, na Nigeria guests for France, they call us. Because I too black. I can't be surprised. He said, no, say they not go follow me. He said, but once I all bleach my skin now, buy Caro White, buy bleach cream, bleach my skin. He said, now guess they go they use money to they bribe people. When know me say I bet maybe they me talk to me. He said I go get 10 girlfriend for France. I never get. Once you all bleach for France, he said guess both all the money when they work for. But he said guess they ready to buy you Range Rover, brand new car. Once you all bleach. I can't be surprised. Then I can't try to explain things to them. I can't try to preach to them. I can't try to educate them. Say, man.
For a beauty queen, cause your black is beautiful. Beautiful, my boy. Baby, your black is beautiful. Baby, more. And your black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. And your black is natural. Black is original.
NigerPhoenix.com.
Whoa, yo, yo, yo. My mama.
I come up for France, enter Germany. When I reach Germany, I call my guy when I meet for there. Say, bro, how far? I did Germany. He say, you never tell me say they come. I say I be not planner. Now from France I don't enter here, so I can't explain things to my friend. He say, man, not worry. Say you even get one birthday party when they go. Say I go even follow and say I go see fine babe and lady there. I can't they appeal. Behold, brother and sisters, when I reach birthday party for Germany. When we reach the place, I can't tell my friend, say, you tell me say na birthday party we dey go. Which one you can't carry me come primary school and nursery school? He say not be nursery school. He say na the birthday party be this. He say you see all these children, so now all these girls now get on. He say you see of them, they get like 4, 5. I come surprised, say what thing they happen for here? He say man lock up. Then I can't look my right. I can't see pregnant girls everywhere. Pregnant girls and ladies. I look this side. See the two little children. They carry small pipi for hand. They still get belly. Shy. What it can't shock me? Now when my guy come tell me say, I'm free to talk to any of them. Say be I say a different woman. Say I see them, so say that they free. I can't say women with belly, with little baby, they free. He said they no get husband. I can't surprise. Based on say I don't call there. I say okay, man, I not go empty-handed. I say make I enjoy small, make I drink, eat the food before I come out there and stay listening to music. I can't hope say based on saying a birthday party, the type of music where they want to play, and this type of music.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gonna party like this.
Nothing like that. The kind of music when I can't hear for birthday party, make una listen. No joke. Nowadays, na the music when you will hear for any party for Germany be that. Whether na birthday party or whether na marriage or even for each church. After everything, I can't give up. Now me can't tell my friends, I beg, home is good. May I go back to Italy, may I go settle down where may I look. As I reach Italy, the type of girls and ladies when I see, nobody also pass them. Now I tell like them. In the afternoon, you go to see the way they follow guys they get down for Choroti Grand. Especially those ones when they Torino, those ones with they Novara, those ones with they Roma. They hustle past guys. You know, they go pursue you self for where you dey hustle because they will call police on you. And in the night again, those guys they see the hustle, then they make control. No old men wey they know they follow. And yet you know go see what they use the money do. And for Italy, yeah, I can't find out. Say man, nothing like woman will be say they never born. All of them, both those one wey make kankara can for body, waist clean, all those one wey they come. Who never born pikin, they don't born like 2 or 3 for Nigeria before they come. All of them. If you try to talk to them, what did the offense tell you say? I beg go, now my pikin school fees I dey look for now. Not be me, one boy, one can't just stay play bottle away. I can't give up for woman matter. Then I can't remember. I say again one country like that, Austria. I never really go there. I can't go Austria. Brothers and sisters, when I reach Austria, everywhere can't be like as if saying a mountain of fire or Deeper Life campground nowadays. Because all the women and girls when they Austrian, their dressing code, you go tired. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord of hosts. Fear not go let me talk more about Nigerian girls when they Austria because you get why. I'm Mr. Z. I will be back.